All right, final question on this page, question 12. It's an expand and then simplify question. So you've got to expand these brackets out, and then there'll be some tidying up to do with the simplify part. So let's just kind of give ourselves a decent amount of space here. We're going to expand everything out, and then we're going to use another line to simplify it all. So there's two parts, expand and simplify. So expand means multiply this bracket out. 5 times x gives me 5x. 5 times a positive 7 is 35. Now here, we're going to think of this as a negative 2 multiplied by everything here. So we've got negative 2 times by 2x. That's negative 4x. And negative 2 times by a negative 1, negative times negative gives me positive 2. All right, that is the bit where people go wrong. Negative times negative gives you positive here. We're then going to collect up. So 5x collects up with 4x. I'm drawing my box with the signs inside. That's a positive. Take away 4x. So 5x take away 4x is just x. And I'm going to use a different shape. 35 add 2 is 37. So I'll stick my answer in the right place there. X plus 37. Done. Okay, factorize. Okay. Now, I'm going to use a different piece of paper here to just kind of show you what I'm thinking when I see this question. First up, I'm thinking 40 and 24. I'm thinking the 8 times table. So let's think as 40 is 5 times 8. All right, and 24 is 3 times 8. All right, I'm also seeing x's and y's. So let's break 40x squared y down. So 40x squared y, I'm thinking of 5 times 8. X squared is x times x, and then times by y. Okay, over this side, we've got 24xy cubed. All right, well, 24 is 3 times 8. And then it's x times y times y times y. Now let's think of things that are common here and think of factors. So let's think of all the things that are common, and we're going to put those, I'm going to create a bracket. Things that are common are going to go outside the bracket. So let's think. We've got 8 common to both. That's going outside the bracket. We've got an x on both sides. That's going outside the bracket. And we've got a y on both sides. So that's going outside the bracket. Now all these other bits have to go inside. So we've got 5x. It was a plus question, so we don't have a plus in the middle. And think what's left over. Well, we've got 3y, 3y squared. All right, so that's the thinking behind it all. The way you're going to probably do it is think, right, well, we've got the 8 times table, so we put an 8 outside. We've got an x and a y in both. And then we think, right, well, 8 times something is 40, 8 times 5. X times something is x squared, so we've got have to have an x in there, and we've already just got the y. Put the plus sign down. 8 times something is 24, so it must be 3. We've got x times y already, but we need another y times y, so we need a y squared. And that really should be over there. All right, and then for part C, okay, love these questions, done loads of practice on this. We find the least x. So we've got 8x and 6x. Which is the least x? 6x. Take that from both sides. We've got 8x take away 6x. So this is our kind of step. We take 6x from both sides. This is what we're doing. We're going to get 2x minus 4 equals 12. We're going to add on 4 to get rid of the minus 4. So we add 4 to both sides. So that's going to give us 2x equals 16. And then we want x equals something. So we have to divide by 2 on both sides to give us 8 there. Okay, now before I put my answer there, I'm going to do a check. So if x is 8, I know that 8x minus 4 must be equal to 6x plus 12. So 8x, or 8 times 8, take away 4, must be the same answer as 6 times 8 plus 12. So let's work it out. 64 take away 4 on that side gives us 60. 48 plus 12 gives us 60. So look, it's worked. So I'm going to be confident here and put x equals 8 as my answer.